Hey, Bo, you've got a really great question there. I'm actually answering it right now. We are gonna answer this question right now and throw it up on the YouTube channel, so thank you so much for the question in the IG DMs. Talk to you soon. Guys, we answer all of the DMs. I'm in the DMs all the time, and I love getting these types of questions. This question actually comes from Bo Bailey. I have a vague question that has probably been asked. What are my options for buying a house with absolutely no credit? You definitely asked the right guy. There's nobody on the planet. Find somebody. There's nobody on the planet better than Pace Morby than answering this exact question about buying a house with no credit. Okay, so Bo, I have several videos that I'll suggest to you down below that talk about how to buy houses without credit, without any of your own cash. In fact, this house right here, I've talked about it multiple times. I bought this house literally with no credit. Nobody checked my tax records. Nobody pulled my credit. Nobody looked at my bank history. Nobody looked at my job. None of that. And a lot of people watching this video are like, how is that possible? How is it possible? Guys, it's called subject to. I bought this house subject to and with seller finance in what I call a hybrid transaction. Here's the thing. You want to find somebody that's in either distress or somebody that wants too much money for their house. And what you do is you then work out terms with that person where you say, hey, I know you have a loan with Wells Fargo and I know you want to sell that house. How about you just let me make the payments to Wells Fargo and I pay you a little bit of cash to walk away from the house? That's one option. That would be called subject to. I just bought a triplex in Fayetteville, North Carolina. This street name is on Eureka. It's a triplex. I've never seen it, and I didn't use any of my own credit, and I took over somebody else's existing loan, and that house will probably cash flow, that triplex will probably cash flow somewhere around $800. If you guys want me to do more of these types of videos, make a comment down below. And more importantly, here's what I really want to start doing more and more often, is I want to start doing one-on-ones with people like Chris. I want to talk to people in our YouTube audience. So here's what I want to do. In the next couple of days, we're going to take people who are subscribers and have already hit the notification bell, and people who make comments down below. We are going to start highlighting people from the YouTube comments and answering questions through a one-on-one Zoom or a one-on-one Riverside, because I want to talk to you. I want you to truly understand it, not just through a 5-minute or a 7-minute YouTube video, but I want you to truly understand it through a conversation you and I have until you go, oh my gosh, I get it. Oh my gosh, I understand. And that's where this YouTube channel is going to start amplifying our community and outreach with you guys. So make sure you are a subscriber, you have already hit the notification bell, and then also our team, myself included, will be answering comments down below and selecting people weekly, not monthly, not yearly, weekly. We will be doing outreach and building relationship with you guys. But the answer to your question, Chris, is you can buy houses subject to seller finance, novation, etc., without any credit, without any credentials like job history or tax history or any of that kind of stuff, and also a lot of times without any of your own cash. I give multiple examples of that on my Real Deal episodes, which is a playlist on our YouTube channel with real addresses, with real breakdowns, real whiteboard videos. So come on the YouTube channel, I'll give you real addresses that you can actually go and verify that I'm the owner on. If you want more of that kind of stuff, please like, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and make a comment down below so that we can end up having a one-on-one with each other. Thank you, Chris. Later.